Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is going to be all about dreads. We're going to be making these suckers wavy. This is something I like to do to get a little bit of texture in my hair. It lasts for a couple days if you do it right and you let it sit for a while. Oh look, my cat is joining us. Say hello, Coco. You hate me so much right now. This is pretty simple, pretty basic, and it doesn't take very long. It's also really cute if you want to do this in the morning and wear it for the whole day and then take it out the next day, so that way you can kind of rock a style in between with your dreads. But I am just going to go ahead and get right into it. So the only thing that you are going to need for this whole wavy making process is just little hair ties, like the little baby elastics. So you can do this a couple different ways. I have 50 dreads, so mine are kind of like a medium size in width. If you want to do a tight, very like crinkly wave, you can do 3 in a braid, or you could do 6 in a braid, depending on how big or how like tight that you want them. So like typically in the front areas, I'll do 3 dreads, and I'm honestly just going to braid the front 3 together, and you can also mix up how big your braids are. So that way you can get multiple different textures all throughout your hair. So it's going to give it a very dimensional, volumized look. So yeah, it's just, it takes a hot second, but it's easy because versus trying to get all the hair together, you've only got like 3 dreads you got to deal with. And then all I do is I wrap the little elastic around once, like twice or 3 times, because it doesn't need to be tight because your dreads are going to stay. So I'm just going to do that all the way around my head.
Fill me out with your smile, like the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame, I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down, 'cause with you I'm safe and sound. I'm safe and sound. I'm safe and sound.
This is what it will look like when it is all said and done. You'll have all your braids in there. So you've got a couple different options. You can wear this all day, like I said, or you can wear this for a couple days. I would not recommend wearing this for more than 2 days, just because knowing the life of dreads, if you were to take this out after, say, 4 days, you could have some issues with them dreading together at your scalp, and I don't want that to happen for you. So I wouldn't do these any more than 2 days. You can go a little... You might be able to go a little longer if you've got naturally straight hair, but especially if you have naturally curly hair, do not let these sit longer than 2 days. But anyways, you can, if you wanted this to be like the style that you wear for that day, and you've got a little bit of time, you can spray a little bit, like mist a little bit of water on top of your dreads and blow dry them, and then take them out, and you'll have that wave. It might not last quite as long, but it will last you for the day if you're looking for just something quick. But yeah, so I'm going to wear this all day, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like after I take all of them out. So get ready. All right, so we're back in action here. And now it's time to see the results we get. Yeah, this is what you're left with, this nice little texture you got going on. And if you do mix and match some braids in there, you're going to get a little bit more in some areas, a little bit less, so you'll get more of a difference in pattern. I just wanted to keep it pretty simple for my hair, but yeah, you can play with this, have fun with this. You can do tons in a braid, so you can do like all your hair in like 3 braids. So this is kind of like a customized like idea for you guys. But yeah, that is everything. I hope you enjoy this. I know it's super simple, but it's just some of the things that you don't think about with doing with dreads, and I didn't think about it until like recently actually, and I've been doing it and I really like the way it looks. But yeah, if you guys like stuff like this with dreads, let me know in the comments down below, and I can always make more, because you guys know I love to do dreadlock videos, but only if you want them to. But anyways, so make sure you follow me on all my social media. I have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Snapchat. All the names and links will be in the description box for you guys, so make sure you check that out. And also, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a beat and you stay up to date on everything. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!